taking the random trades that were holding you back from being a professional trader. That's why today's video, we are going to show you the perfect way to enter the market, take better trades, and avoid unnecessary trades after analyzing the market and become a professional trader. Welcome to the Trading Focus once again. Okay guys, before we start the video, give us the favor, subscribe on the channel, like the video, leave the comment below after the video, and I'll see you in the minutes on our today's video. Okay, welcome back. So before we move to the chart, let's start by looking, for example, if we have the market looks like this, you have the structure of the market showing you that you are going to be reversing to the upside. So you are from upside to the downside. So from the areas of reversals, you are expecting the market to change the direction to the upside. So now what we are going to be looking for is you are going to be looking for opportunities to be buying from. Then you're going to be targeting the areas where we moved from when we were moving down. So now we're going to be looking for the areas to be buying from until we get to this target. So that's what we are going to be looking for. So the focus is that as you are moving up, you have to look for the very stronger confirmation or stronger indication to be entering from by taking a buy as well as managing risk. Okay, so let's now move to the chart and see how we traded and took different trades from our previous weeks and months. Okay, here we have GBP Japanese. The market analyzed from reversing from this area, anticipating the market to be reversing to the upside. So these are all signs of the market to be reversing to the upside or a bullish reversal. So now what we are looking for all opportunities to be targeting this area. This area, that's where we are going to be targeting from. So now this is H4. This is a higher time frame. So we are going to be moving to the lower time frame, H1. This was a prediction from this area. Let's go to the chart and see how can we move with every opportunity, taking different trades in the market. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. So now we are going to be looking for the areas where we can buy from. So the areas we need to be buying from where we have an opportunity is that the market to make a low from this area so that we can buy from this demand area. So this is the market moving low to the high, to the low, to the high. We failed to make a low, high, low. We are looking for the low to go for the higher high. This formation of the market looks like this, and then we are looking to be taking this opportunity from these areas. Okay, so now we are waiting for the market movement to be making a retracement from this area so that we can buy from there, or there another opportunity to be buying from also this area. This is also a demand area, so we can also buy from this area. Remember, as long as we are reversing from this area, this one is imbalance. We need the market to balance the area so that we can take that opportunity moving to the upside. So now what happened? Then moving up, we continue by making higher highs. Let's see what happened. Can we make a higher low? So this area also left as a demand area. So we have 1, 2, 3 areas which are imbalanced. So still now we are waiting for better entries for buy. Okay, let's see what happens. So we are moving down from this area. Let's see if we can reject from there. Okay, we are still moving down. So we have an opportunity to be buying from this area. Let's see. So we got this candle with a bullish engulfing. So now from what we are expecting is that the market will continue in the upside. So where are we going to set a stop loss? So remember, we are now targeting this area. This is a reversal. We are taking a buy from this candle. This area is imbalanced. The stop loss will be below the previous lows, and we are going to be targeting this area. Okay, so that is our target. This is a stop loss. Then we are going to be looking for even internal areas to be buying from. Okay, so let's see what happened now. If the market also continue moving from the upside to this area, I'm going to be also looking for buy. Even if we break above this area and make a retracement from this area, I'm going to also be looking for entry for buy. So now we have two areas again to be buying from, anticipating the market to continue moving up. Let's see what happened. So the market moved up. Can we make a retracement from this area? Look for that opportunity. Okay, we are still moving up. See what happens. So now we are going to be looking for buy from this area. Our entry was from this area, and we are looking from buying from this area. Okay, now we are going to be entering for buy. This time our stop loss, as long as we are moving up, making higher highs and higher lows, our trend is becoming stronger so that we can set our stop loss from this area, expecting the market to continue in the upside. Okay, so let's look for another opportunity to be buying from. Okay, remember, this is also an area to buy from in general. This is a demand area. So this area has been activated. So this area is balanced, this area is balanced, and this area is imbalanced. But as long as we are moving up, we are confident that the market will continue upside as we are creating higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, so this was also an entry to buy from this. Okay, let's see what happened. Then we should be entering from this area. Okay, expecting the market to continue moving up. Okay, let's see what happened. Can we keep moving up? So this area, remember, is going to be our demand area to buy from. Okay, we are still moving up. Okay, we created another area to buy from. Okay, so let's see what happened. We are still moving up, making a retracement from this area, waiting for the bullish candlestick. Okay, we got a bullish engulfing. So this is also an entry for buy. Now position from this area. Stop loss will be from this area. So this area has been activated, and this area is still in balance. So as long as we are taking the trade from this area, remember, if the market move down to balance this area, we are going to be taking a loss from here. So you have two options to be deciding whether if you are entering from this area and set a stop loss from this area, or you are setting a stop loss from this area. If the market move back and kick your stop loss, you are accepting to be losing that amount. So leaving my stop loss from this area and see what happened. I have 1, 2, 3 trades. If I take a loss from one trade, no problem. I will keep expecting the market to be moving up, looking for another opportunity. Let's see what happened. Still moving up, moving down. Let's see what happened. Moving down, up, consolidation. Okay, so now we created another area to be buying from. So now we are safe. We are still expecting the market to move up. Even our stop loss can minimize again. Even from this area, we are safe. then we are looking for this area to be buying from. Okay, so this area is balanced, this area is imbalance, but we are stronger as long as we are making higher highs and higher lows. So we are looking for buy from this area. So now let's see what happened. Up. Okay, let's see consolidation. Okay, we are breaking above from this area. So now we have this area. If we make adjustments from this area, can we buy from there? Let's see what happened. Okay, we broke below. This is an opportunity. This is no longer our demand zone. So we are moving down. Okay, we are ejecting from this area. Let's wait and see if the market will move and touch from this area. To wait, be patient and wait. We are still moving up, equal highs. We are moving down. So can we move down and then? Okay, let's see. So we end up moving up and create another areas where I can buy from, because this area is hanging from this area as a liquidity. So I'm not going to be looking for demand area from here. I will look for buying from this area. This is a high to the low, to the high, to the low, to the high, to the low. We are making a higher high to the higher low, so that if I get that opportunity, I will be looking for the higher high. So now let's see what happens with the market if we can get that opportunity to buy from this area. Moving up, moving down. Okay, can we get an entry? We got an entry from this area with this candle. Let's take a buy and see what happened. Remember, your job is to take a trade and manage the risk in the market. What you can't do is that you can't move the market. Okay, so our stop loss will be from this area. Let's see what happened. We are still in the profit from these trades. Okay, moving up. Okay, so this is another opportunity from this area, an area to be buying from. If the market makes a low, we are looking for buy from that area. Moving up, we are still waiting from this area. Let's see what happened. Moving up from this area, I'm not looking for buy from this. Let's see what happened. We broke above this area, so now we have this structure. Okay, we have a high to the low, to the high, to the low, to the high, low, high, looking for a low to go for the higher high. So let's see what happened from this area. Can we get an opportunity to buy from this area? See what happened. Looks like we are approaching to our target. Even we have this area to buy from. Let's see, we have a confirmation. Can we take a buy? Attempt to take a buy from this area. Stop loss from here. This area, remember, is imbalance. Let's see if we can get to our target. Still moving up. Okay, the market dropped down as the news came. So that's where you have to be careful with the market. So as long as you are in the market and you are expecting the news to come, so at that moment, you need to make sure that if you are going to be closing from there, or you are going to leave the market in and accept to lose the trade. So what happened here? So as long as the market is moving down, so we have this trade. Did we take a loss? Let's see. So this trade is, and this trade has failed. These two trades has failed. Now, where are we looking to buy from? Okay, so we are no longer looking for buy from this area as long as we are breaking below. So now these are the areas where we are waiting to buy from. That's why most of the time the news will come in and will show you where to enter for buy or sell. The news is an opportunity for you to make sure that you are going to be getting better entries. That's why you have to wait for the news. After that, you are going to be spotting areas where you can buy or sell from. So now, as long as this candlestick was for the news, I'm waiting to be buying from this area. Let's see if we can come and reject from this area, which was imbalance. Okay, and even this area is imbalance. Let's see. Okay, moving down. Okay, rejecting from this area. Let's see what happened. If we continue, no problem. We are going to be looking for another opportunity, and we are staying in with 4 trades. Okay, so 6 trade, 2 loss. But remember also, we got all the opportunities to be closing some amount from this area. Remember, as long as you take a trade, there are some areas where you have to secure some profit. Moving from this trade up to this area was a very big profit to be closing some amount, and you leave the rest run. And even from this last trade from this area where we're expecting to be touching to our target, even we got like 70% to win our trade. So we are still moving down. We are now in our area. So as long as this was a deep pullback, we need to be careful. We need to look for the opportunities of creating the demand areas to buy from. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, we are moving down. Let's see. Okay, we're rejecting from this area. So now if we move up, okay, this is what I'm looking for. If we move and breaks above this area and make a retracement from this area, I'm gonna be looking for buy from there. So let's see what happened. Moving up, down. Can we buy from this area? Okay, I'm waiting also for the retracement from this area. I need a strong confirmation. Let's see what happened. We are still moving up. So even we have some internal areas to be buying from this area, even if we missed this, but we are still also waiting from here. If we get this opportunity of retracement from these areas, let's say from this green line, I will be also looking for buy, but my stop loss will be below the previous low from this also green line. Okay, so let's see what happened. As long as we are tracing from this area, this is in general an area I've been looking to buy from. I'm going to be taking a buy from there, and then my stop loss will be below this area. Stop loss is below this area. Then my target is still the same. Okay, we are still moving down. Equal lows from this area. Let's see, can we move up? Okay, this is also an area to buy from. So I'm gonna be waiting for the market to make a retracement from this area so that I can take another opportunity to buy. So let's see. So looks like we are about taking to our target. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have also this internal area, this one. Okay, we made a retracement from this area. Remember, if you enter from here, your stop loss is going to be at the same area as this. Buy from this area. Let's say my stop loss will. Let's see what happened. Can we get to our target now? Let's see if we can get to our target. Do we have another opportunity to buy? Let's see. Okay, let's see what happened from this area. We created another opportunity to buy from this. This is good. So we are waiting for a retracement from here. Then we can also set a, so these trades stop loss have to be here. This one is going to be break even. Okay, as long as you enter from better areas, you are no longer still in the stop loss. You can lock. If I need to lock, I'll be locking from all of these areas. Okay, so now we are going to be using a pending order buy limit from this area. If the market pulls back, our trade will be activated. Okay, this is the last trade I'm gonna be taking from here. Okay, now activated. We have been activated from this area. Then now we are moving up. Okay, so looks like we still have the opportunities to buy. This is a demand area. The market make a retracements from this area. We are looking for buy also again. Looks like we are going to get to our target. Okay, the market is still moving down. So let's see if we can get this opportunity to buy from that area. I have to wait and see. Okay, now we made an equal low from this area. This is also an opportunity to enter for buy. For this area, my target is from here. Okay, equal low, so aggressive. Also, this was an opportunity to enter for buy. Still moving up, looks like now. Okay, we have to wait until we get our target. Moving down, so let's see from this area. Okay, then now we go to our target and we continue moving. We are breaking above this area. So now that's how we been trading from the last month. This GBP Japanese yen, the market reversing from. Then we have how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trades, 2 losses, but remember, we had all the opportunities to be closing the trade, or we had a reason to secure different profit and leave the rest run. So guys, as long as you have a strategy, what you have to do is to make sure that you know how the price moves. You have to learn the price action. After knowing how the trend is formed, that's where you are going to be a professional trader, because what you have seen again and again will not be a surprise in the market. You have to do is to be patient and take a trade from the areas where you are expecting your trade to be stronger and move to your direction. Guy, thank you so much for your time. Remember to subscribe on the channel, leave the comment below, like the video, and I will see you next time. Stay safe.